JDBC driver types. JDBC driver implementations differ because of the wide range of the operating systems and hardware platforms in which the Java operates here. We are having the various types of JDBC drivers out there, but the Sun has divided into me. Sun microsystem has been divided into the implementation types into the four categories. They are the type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4 drivers here. This is about the drivers here. The type 1 driver is also called as a JDBC ODBC bits driver here. And the type 2 driver is called as a native driver. And the type 3 driver is called as a middleware driver here, middleware software driver here. The type 4 driver is a pure Java driver here. The JDBC drivers are four types: type 1, type 2, type 3, and the type 4 drivers. Which driver can be used for which purpose? Which driver should be used here? If you are accessing the one type of database, such as Oracle, Sybase, or IBM, prefer the data type driver type is the 4 here. Means if you are working with the Oracle database or Sybase or IBM or MySQL database, then it is better to use the type 4 driver. If your Java application is accessing the multiple types of databases at the same time, then prefer the type 3 driver. Multiple types of data types is nothing but it may be Oracle, Sybase, and MySQL at a time. If you are working the different types of database are there, then the better one is to go with the type 3 driver. Type 3 drivers are useful in situation where the type 3 or type 4 drivers is not available for your database. Sometimes the type 3 and type 4 drivers will not work on the corresponding database servers here. In those situations, in those critical situations, then try to use the type 2 drivers here. The type 1 driver is not considered deployment level driver and is typically used for the deployment, development, and testing purpose only. The type 1 drivers are always by the testers only to test the any application, to develop the any application at the low level only. At the time, the type 1 driver will be used here. The very popular driver is the type 4 driver. Why? Because there is no need of the separate installation here. In the previous concepts, type 3, type 2, and type 1 drivers, we have to write the data like this: class dot for name. But in this point of view, there is no the class dot format. Whenever we are going with the type 4 driver, means the Java is providing the totally four types of drivers: type 1 driver, type 2 driver, type 3 driver, and the type 4 driver. The type 4 is called as a pure Java. Why? Because the type 4 driver is written only in the Java only. That's why this is called as a pure Java driver.